Four judges, one of which is the Enga judge, Justice Graham Ellis. He served for 1 year. Now we extended to his term expires on the 21st of November 2025, I think, last year. So his term expires. So we decided to reappoint him again yesterday in a special meeting. This guy is come about is that we appointed for, misunderstanding was we appointed for 3 years. On fairness on the judge's side is that he submitted that his age and everything else was submitted to us. But we've decided, as usual, we have decided to give them 3 years. But now that it's come to our attention, notice it's proper to do it right. So we extended for another 3 years. So I've just only expressed satisfaction and satisfied with the judge. Of course, the other judges are Sokina Bona. Sokina Bona is appointed for another 3 years. He reached 70. He will reach 72 here on the next week, this month, 13th. So we extended his term to. We satisfied, although he has reached that, and he also prepared volunteer to serve another year. So that's 3 more years given to him. The other 2 judges that we have appointed was the Justice Salis Kaule. Is a national, and so we appointed him for now, give him 10 years. He was appointed as acting judge, and although supervising judges and all this have been recommended highly to appoint him as a judge. So he's given 3 years of appointment, and I want to congratulate him. And the other judge is Justice Jeffrey Mesa. He was also in the same boat. He was given an acting judge, and supervising judges have recommended. They're satisfied and highly recommended for him to be considered for and to appointed permanent appointment. We gave him 10 years appointment. So I want to congratulate those judges for being available to take up the job. This is a challenging job that they are taking up, and I want to thank them. And they will, for Enga, of course we will send a memo to her with the